Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Mexican-inspired lasagna. I've got my apron on, now let's make this Mexican lasagna. First thing we're going to do is brown some ground beef in a little bit of avocado oil. This recipe is so easy, it's going to be one of those weeknight meals that your family, the whole family is going to love. It's just one of those simple, delicious comfort meals. It's going to be a regular in your rotation. I just know it. Our ground beef is nice and cooked through, so now I'm going to use two shortcut ingredients that are going to make this recipe so much easier. I've got a packet of taco seasoning. You can just use whatever taco seasoning you like best. They have so many different varieties in the grocery store now. They've got organic, they've got, whatever you want. And I'm going to add a 16-ounce jar of mild salsa. This has got tomatoes, it's got onions, it's got garlic, it's got all of those delicious flavors in one jar. It makes this so much easier. And if you like spicy, you could use a spicy jar of salsa. So I'm just going to give this a taste just to make sure it doesn't need anything. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. Wow, that has got a lot of flavor. So we're going to push this to the side and we're going to start making our Mexican lasagna. I've got a 9x13 baking dish that I've already sprayed with cooking spray. And we're going to start with some little tortillas. These are street taco keto tortillas. So this is about the size of them. I would say they're about 4 inches. So we're just going to layer, I'm going to layer 4. Actually, I'm going to layer 5 on the first layer, just like that. And now we're going to spread 1/3 of our meat mixture over the tortillas. And I've got some Colby Jack shredded cheese that I'm going to put over top. So I would say about 1.5 cups of cheese to 2 cups. It's really up to you. Okay, now I'm going to do a second layer of tortillas. And now another 1/3 of our meat mixture. And more cheese. Our final layer of tortillas. And I think I'm going to do it 2 in the middle since I only have 4 left. And 1 on the outer layer. And then the rest of our meat mixture. And we'll finish it off with some more cheese. So all total, about 4 cups of cheese for our casserole or Mexican casserole, which is a, pretty standard for a lasagna, 4 cups of cheese. So now we're going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for probably 20 to 30 minutes. We want it to be nice and bubbly and the cheese all brown and bubbly. So in the oven it goes. Okay, our Mexican lasagna is out of the oven and I cut it into 6 servings. It looks and smells so good. So let's put a serving on a plate. I've got some sour cream. I'm going to add a dollop. And a couple of cherry tomatoes that I cut in half. And how good does that look? This is going to be so good. That is amazing. You've got to check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.